Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Wi-Fi to a new network and devices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Google Wi-Fi to a new network and devices, start by ensuring your Google Wi-Fi is powered on. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. In the app, locate the Wi-Fi icon at the top of the home screen. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon to access your network settings. Select the Network tab to see your current setup. Next, tap on Settings in the upper right corner of the screen. Choose Advanced Networking from the list of options. Scroll down to find the Factory Reset option. Confirm that you want to reset your Google Wi-Fi device. Once your device has reset, it will return to the setup mode. Now, go back to the home screen of the Google Home app. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device, followed by New Devices. Choose the home where you want to set up the Google Wi-Fi. The app will search for available devices to connect. Once your Google Wi-Fi unit is found, tap on it to begin setup. Follow the prompts to connect to your new Wi-Fi network. You will need to enter your new network name and password. After entering the details, tap Save to apply the changes. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your Google Wi-Fi. Once the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation on the screen. Now, you can add any additional Google Wi-Fi devices if needed. Follow the same steps to connect each additional unit to your network. Finally, ensure that all devices are connected properly by checking the network status in the app. Your Google Wi-Fi is now successfully transferred to your new network and devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.